Yeah. Ooh. Hey, oh.
Thank you.
Pranked ya. We're stacking everything on top of Drew. And we're just gonna see how much we can fit. No! Bunny! Oh plank challenge! Plank challenge! Yeah! Hey!
I'm on my own, broken alone.
Hi my little cutie heads, my name is Casey, welcome back to my channel. I guess you've probably seen half this video already because I haven't done a proper intro at all. Thanks for loving me for the YouTuber that I am. Ow, okay, I didn't fart, it was my foot, I swear. Basically, we're in Texas right now. Britt invited us all to this big event. I don't even know what to call it. The brand Zubies, it's the salsa brand that's freaking insane. It's all vegan, all organic, good for the planet. Like everything that I love and support is in that brand. And they have the best queso that I've ever had in my entire life. And it's vegan, so it doesn't make my stomach obliterate itself. And the brand Collective, which is basically like online coaching and lessons. So I'm gonna be posting a bunch of exclusive content on there and my links will be in the description too. How am I so lucky to get to be invited to these things? I feel so blessed. I don't know. We're in Texas on this giant ranch with like zebras and kangaroos. They just have every cool thing that you could ever possibly imagine doing here. Don't forget to subscribe and I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for going through this chaotic weekend with me. Yeah! I'm gonna shut up now. I just feel like I'm literally living in my dream. Like anything I could have ever possibly dreamed of wanting in a life. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, funny story, all three of our toilets clogged last night. I'm gonna leave you there. Okay, love you guys. Keep watching. We are whole entire cowgirls right now. Oh my gosh, this is the best day ever. I can't. Oh my gosh. Am I in a dream? Someone needs to punch me in the face because I swear I'm dreaming.
Right now we're about to take a tour of the whole property and we had to find a fucking Jeep.
Yeah, we did. Do I look like a cute cowgirl?
No. Casey, we're 5 minutes in and you're already taking Instagram pictures. We're driving the Jeep.
Yeah, we are. Okay. You've almost hit Jake like 5 minutes.
I almost hit Jake like 3 times.
Stormy weather, weary eyes, hope to make it through the night.
Oh my god. Look at that cloud. Are you kidding? What is it?
Absolutely nothing. We're taking her off the track.
Okay. Oh my friend.
All this time we thought we'll never pay the price. Oh shit, we got right. In the game of love, you have to roll the dice. My heart got 7 years to lie.
Our lights just keep going out.
The lights keep going out. The lights are out.
If we die right now, I'm video recording. That's reversed. Okay, you got it. If anyone can do it, it's you.
Shine
guys,
down, shine
it's
down.
just
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It's not going into fucking gear. So pretty much what happened is the car got stuck and I couldn't get it in drive, so now he's gonna help us out.
Okay.
Oh shit.
All right, you guys. We're gonna do this.
Seatbelts are going on, baby.
Yeah, seatbelts are going. This is gonna be gnarly.
I'm terrified. This is like stuff you see in the movies. No, right?
Okay, bro, clear out.
Oh god, we're
No. Okay, give me a little speed. I'm coming in hot. People at the top there, clear out. I'm coming up hot.
I can't. This is like a movie. I really feel like we're in a movie.
We got it, come on.
Yep.
This is by far the craziest first day I've ever had in my life.
Yeah, we are so sweaty, and I don't know if it's because it's hot in here or if because we almost died. Late night pool sesh.
I need sun to ease my pain. Before this night is over, I will guide you home.
Day number 2, kind of 1, outfit check. Cowboy hat, tank top, swimsuit underneath, jean shorts, and Converse. Let's get it. Yeah!
We're giddy upping right now.
Giddy upping. Y'all, it is so dang humid here in Texas that I keep wiping off my camera and it just immediately gets this foggy again. Hold on. So a little backstory. This morning is basically like a whole like content creation set, and they like come up to everyone and they're like, okay, so like what do you do? What are you talented at? And everyone's like acro, like yoga, like I'm really flexible. I can shoot a bow and arrow with my feet in a handstand at the same time. But I'm like, I'm really good at supporting my friends. And I just got all awkward and ran to the bathroom. They're like, just do what you do. And I was like, I think I am a YouTuber, so maybe I'll YouTube and we'll just make a crazy montage of all of my friends' crazy tricks. That'd be fun. That'd be fun. All right, let's run it.
Yeah, no, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the noggin. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time, don't leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January.
Do something crazy.
Trampoline's not going anywhere. Can you tell you?
No way! You are so awesome. I'm so proud of you.
And nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around a month in February.
She's got cheese all over.
It's on your board. That's, oh my god. That's fire.
This is what happens when you misplace the chip. She just wipes it all up your head.
Alright, you ready?
Magician.
Wait,
what?
Magnetic penny. This is the magazine.
Now they have this ginormous airbag set up and a crane that takes you all the way up and then you jump. And I'm gonna do that now.
Alright, Kace, you got it. He's filming.
I literally almost went.
You got it.
Wait, this is scary.
You got it, Kace.
Oh my god.
That was a cool shot.
And Bobby already rolled it. What the shit? Oh my god.
Look at the grass on the top of the thing.
Show it on.
I'm Dirty Dan.
No, I'm Dirty Dan. No, I'm Dirty Dan.
No, I'm Dirty Dan.
We get one chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we
Just hanging out in Texas in an ATV with the camel.
You know it.
Watching trapeze. Performing trapeze right next to a gun range, 50 cal at a giant mansion. It's every day.
You know it.
Everyday activity for us over here in
Yes,
Texas.
sir. Ma'am. Oh my gosh, it's the kangaroos, the kangaroos. It's so cute.
in the game of love, you have to roll the dice. My heart got so
chokers. My chokers.
I shoot some guns out here in Texas.
Guns. Big guys.
I don't know, keep going. Nice.
That was so cool.
You're a badass.
You can hear in the background there's a freaking helicopter. You might think, oh, we're just cute little girls going up in a helicopter. No, we're actually jumping. Jumping out! Jump, 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 jump. I don't know, we're risking our lives. We really are. This is about to be probably craziest thing we've ever done. Oh yeah, it's gonna feel good after we're alive though.
You know what makes me feel like I won't waste this.
Come on, you got it! Yeah! With your sister! Good job. Hell. You are so
We did it! We just did that with your life!
Life is so good right now!
We killed it!
This song goes out to everybody right now. The TX Collab Lab. Make some noise! Here we go. This one's for all you guys. I love you. What an amazing night.
That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the storm.